I wanted to give a quick look at this programming game I've been working on for the Raspberry Pi. It's sort of along the lines of a robocode or even like Logo, in that I'm trying to make it so you can do interesting things with just one bot moving around the stage. So as you can see, we have rectangular battlefield like robocode, but we also have walls, and bot is just moving around and trying not to get stuck on the walls too much. So the app is in C++, while the bots and the stage are both Lua programs. So the stage is a Lua program, so what I'm going for is that you could hopefully design some kind of custom gameplay within a stage. So the first thing that I'm working on is supporting the idea that a stage could be like a maze. So if we load up this maze, the random bot just hits the wall right away, and on that maze, on that stage, that makes him lose. The first thing a beginner might do to get past this would be to write a bot that's hard-coded with a path through this maze, and that's fine. Maybe you would also work up to, not being allowed to hit the wall and having more complex mazes, and then maybe eventually writing a bot that can get through any maze, which I've done here. This guy can slowly and carefully get through any maze that doesn't have too tight of pathways. As you can see, this runs a bit slower than those other bots did. The original version of this bot ran at about 1 frame per second, but I was able to optimize it so it runs at a reasonable speed even on the Raspberry Pi. I also have like a random maze generator that he can get through most configurations of that. So I'm not sure how far I'll go with like the programmable stage thing. I mean, I could take it to the point where you could design some pretty sophisticated games within a stage, like if you could place objects and the bot could see these custom objects. You could really do a lot with that, but I'm not sure how far I'll take that before just moving on to bots being able to fight other bots, move around and see each other and shoot at each other and have gameplay rules. So this is a quick look at what a stage looks like. Sets a starting point, size, adds a bunch of walls, and really the interesting thing is having this method that's called every tick the same way that bots are called every tick. And on this stage he says, if the bot has reached the target zone, he wins. If he hits a wall, he loses, and otherwise we just keep going. So that's all I have for now. I'd be interested to hear any feedback. Thanks.